Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to share with you why you should avoid using Jio and how it will affect you in future. So let's start. Jio launched its services in 2016 and in 4 years it attained so many customers. This is because try helping it not helping Airtel, Vodafone and other telecom operators. And our government, which includes Modi ji, also supported Jio in many ways. So today I'm going to share with you about monopoly and how in future if Geo attains monopoly and how it will affect us. So let me explain you about monopoly. Monopolies are firms who dominate the market, either a pure monopoly with 100% market share or a firm with monopoly power of more than 25%. Monopoly tends to set higher prices than a competitive market, leading to lower consumer surplus. Higher prices in competitive markets makes monopolies face an elastic demand and so can increase prices, giving consumers no alternative. For example, in the 1980s, Microsoft had a monopoly and Microsoft had a monopoly on PC software and charged a high price for Microsoft Office. A decline in consumer surplus, consumer pay prices higher and fewer consumers can afford this. This also leads to allocative inefficiency because the prices are greater than the marginal cost. Monopolies have fewer incentives to be efficient. With no competition, a monopoly can make profit without much effort. Therefore, it can encourage inefficiency, organizational slack. Monopolies can gain political power and the ability to shape society in an undemocratic and unaccountable way, especially with big IT giants who have such an influence on society and people's choices. There is a growing concern over the influence of Facebook, Google, and Twitter because they influence the diffusion of information in society. Reliance Industries, India's most valuable company, has brought so much foreign investment in India, which is good for India in many ways. Facebook invested $5.7 billion and Google invested $4.5 billion in Jio recently. Jio is a subsidiary of Reliance Industries owned by the sixth richest person in the world, Mr. Mukesh Ambani. There are many other investors lined up to invest in Jio. Jio, which was started in the year 2016, has the highest subscriber base in India. How? In the initial period of its launch, Jio offered free internet call service to its new subscriber, and who does not love free? But this was just a trap set for people which people are enjoying at the moment. So, what is the problem? In the span of 4 years, Jio has achieved this much. Other telecom companies are not able to compete with Jio. This will lead to collapse of other telecom companies and thus we as a subscriber will face the wrath of monopoly. Mukesh Ambani has never been an industrialist. He calls himself a businessman. Now think for fast forward 10 to 15 years. Only Jio alone in the market charging high prices for any services. Not good, right? I am not saying don't use Jio, but understand if we all use Jio, then there will be no competitors remaining in the market. We should always keep companies competing each other for innovation, higher customer value, decent charges for services. Monopoly is not good for any kind of market, especially in India. Only few will be able to use services like this. If you don't like Geo services in the future, you won't have any choice but to stay with Geo, whatever the case might be. So think smart. Don't just think for 5 years. Think for 15 to 20 years. Or everybody likes good services, right? So I ask every one of you to follow this information and share your views in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Hope you like the video, and this is my first time making the video, so sorry for the voice, whatever mistakes I've made. Thank you.